Hertz is where it's at all day long. PPA for rental cars. Hertz is where it's at.
Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told them last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text from way downtown, but this shit's still wet.
What's up? Here in Brigham City at Tournament of Champions. It is blistering hot out here. This is where legends are born. This is where champions are born. Craig's been waiting his whole life to come to Brigham City. We are here. It's Monday. I got some practicing this morning. Get some dust practicing this afternoon. Gonna try to find a restaurant in this little tiny town and practice tomorrow. Rock and roll Wednesday. So have ourselves a good week.
Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told them last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text from way downtown, but this shit's still wet. Yeah, that's a guarantee. King of the city, man, they knowing that it's me. Ain't damn near still doing it with ease, cause it ain't that hard when I'm talking about me. Me and my funds, told them I get what I want. I need my money up front. I do not do this for fun. So I've been here my whole life, I ain't seen them here once. Told them I ain't playing, they don't wanna get hurt, dog. Ayy, candy stove, sweet like sugar. Down south, shot it, she a looker. Ayy, from the dirty, let us crook it. It's a bag, better book it. See the pigs, better book it. I ain't looking stupid on the late night, no. I used to get grounded, now I take flight, whoa. Sharks in the water like a great.
Day 2 in beautiful Brigham City. About to get some practice in. It is bright and early here. Plan to practice today from 9 to 12. Craig and I are gonna hit the hot springs later on. Clothing is optional, but we're gonna have a good day and look forward to this weekend.
Sweet like Zach and Cody, holy moly. I've been head to ranch, now I need to roll it. Been dressing, been impressive. Put up on that, she look rich, just a fake, so I can see.
Practice number 1 down. Let's play with Michael Lloyd. Craig and I are gonna go grab a little snack and come back for a second session of singles. It's Wednesday, it's nice and hot out here in beautiful Brigham City, and let's get it.
Ball with me, ball with me.
Homemade cold plunge at the Holiday Inn here in Brigham City. There is no cold plunge anywhere near Brigham City, so about to make our own. Got 10 bags of ice, all 10 pounds each, 100 pounds of ice. Craig's gonna go in first, head first, and we got some groceries here, and we're taking this sucker up to our room. I don't believe this bathtub's a little too small for me to put my whole body in, so I'll probably go 5 minutes here, just get my legs, and then I'll go 5 minutes with my legs out and my whole back in. So I think that's the best method. Get a small tub, 5 and 5.
Pulling rank, pouring drink, filling up the tank. Like John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball.
Wednesday morning here in Utah, we're in Brigham City, Tournament of Champions, feeling good, slept like an angel, looking forward to today.
I don't drive the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Yeah, I need it now, told him on the lay. I've been moving, dog, yeah, I'm on the way.
Match number 1 in the books, 1-0 so far. Round 16 coming up, feeling like a bad man today. Let's go.
Don't hear the talk, don't care what they say. I don't got no patience, I can't ever wait. I've been trying to get it, running up.
2-0 so far, still rolling, train's moving.
John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Yeah, I need it now, told him on the lay. I've been
3-0, still rolling, semi's coming up. I'm taking his
way. I don't hear the talk, don't care what they say. I don't got no patience, I can't ever wait. I've been trying to get it, running up all these digits.
I wasn't surprised with how strong he came out. I kind of figured, you know, him making it to semis was definitely going to bring it. I was just trying to focus on myself. Championship Saturday, here we come.
Rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, take to preserve. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve. Don't got a nerve, man, I never curse. Just casting these spells when I'm spelling these words. That's real, that's too real. I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still.
Thursday, mixed day. Looking forward to playing with Catherine today. Catherine's taking the last month off, so happy to have the band back. Got a massage last night, feeling like $1 million. Let's get after it today.
That I'm doing, they never see through it, and all of this rap that I see that they ruin. I came in the game and I'm trying to.
First match of the today. Feeling good. Catherine and I got a warm-up in. Let's have ourselves a stellar day.
I gotta see through it, man, won't be deluded with all these illusions. I know it's disputed. I gotta keep growing. They see what my root is. I tell you I run this, I'm done with excuses. Get me for a minute, trying to get what I've been giving out. Do it for the tickets, I don't listen to the critics. I'ma push them to the limit, and these rappers getting timid. I've been balling like a pivot down. Step into the scrimmage, I just play 'em when I'm in it, trying to run it till the ribbon. And they know that I've been tripping when I make them see the vision, man. I put it
2-0 so far.
I'ma drop before I stop the grind. I'ma drop before I stop the grind. Said I got my eyes on.
Catherine and I are 3-0. Actually ending the day early on a wind delay here. Some matches are being moved to tomorrow for the semis. Crazy windy out here. Seems like it's city. Love this place. Something with the weather. Overall, good day for Catherine and I.
They try to take it, I'm getting it back. And if they hit me, they gotta get taxed. I'm making hit after hit after hit, and I promise you, boy, every one of them slaps.
It's men's day, it's Friday. Playing men's dubs today with Papa Jimmy. Had a stellar Wednesday, Thursday, so hoping for a good day. Got myself an ice bath last night and a great meal. Let's have yourself a day.
Oh, they saying that I'm up next. I told them that I'm up now. Promise I came for the next. I'm needing honeys on honeys, cause
I'm about 16 coming up.
show me the finish, I'm getting it first. Show me the best, and that's me and my worst. I need that money, I'm getting it now. I'm at the top, but I saw
Papa Jimmy and I are rolling. Quarterfinals coming up. Feeling fresh, feeling hydrated.
Ready to take heads off.
I told them hundreds of times that I'm really done waiting. I swear that I came for the crown. Oh.
3-0 so far today. James and I are playing well. Semis coming up.
I was in a 4, leveled up to the Rover. Feeling like Blake, I'ma put him on a poster. I don't really play when it come to my checks. I've been in the gym, so you know I gotta flex. If I shoot a shot, then it's gonna be a wet.
My fitness trainer, Craig Feisner. So Craig usually does all my stretch. Total legend. I mean, come on.
And he's
Follow
jacked.
Craig Feisner on Instagram and on all platforms.
I'm needing honeys on honeys, cause that's what I'm worth. Show me the finish, I'm getting it first. Show me the best, and that's me and my worst. I need that money, that's me and my worst. I need that money, I'm getting it now. I'm at the top, but I started way down. I told them hundreds of times that I'm really done waiting. I swear that I came for the crown. My cash right, cause I spent it all last night. Said I'm good to go, only if the bag right. Hit it, then you know I gotta do the dash right. Told her how I'm living, welcome to the
Saturday morning, championship Saturday. Got myself a 3-piece coming up. Men's singles, men's doubles, mixed doubles. Feeling like $1 million. Got about 5 hours of sleep, so just enough for me to show up and show out today.
Let's go take a trip. Got a couple shows. We don't even vote, but you know we taking pose. I don't ever stay in place, girl. I gotta go get my bag though. I don't even got a pack though. They don't even know me. Come and leave through the back though. Ass whoa. They don't even know me. Come and leave through the back though. Ass whoa. They been living hella fast though. When they hit the brakes, that's when I go and hit the cash right. Cause I spent it all last night. Said I'm good to go. Only if the bag right. Hit it, then you know I gotta do the dash right. Told her how I'm living. Welcome to the facts. Get my cash right.
I want to give credit to my wife, to my trainer.
Hit it, then you know I gotta do the dash right. Told her how I'm living. Welcome to the
Championship Saturday was a huge success. Triple Crown, pretty cool record. Happy to be leaving Brigham City with 3 around my neck. Appreciate my team, my wife, Craig, Wild Health, all my sponsors, PPA. Let's keep this year moving, and it was a damn good weekend.